Okay, let's go. Factorizing is the opposite of expanding. First, find the highest common factor of the terms. Okay, so we've got this expression here, 10x plus 15. We have two terms, 10x and plus 15. And we want to find a number that goes into both 10 and into 15. Okay, so the highest common factor of the numbers here is 5. So we take 5 out and we open the brackets. And you think, what do I multiply 5 by to get 10x? So that would be 2x. How many 5s in plus 15? Plus 3. So there is our factorized expression. So it is it's identical to 10x plus 15. Okay, it just looks slightly different. We split it into two factors that are multiplied by each other. Okay. Example 2, factorize 12, take 8a. Again, we need to find the highest common factor of the numbers, which here is 12 and 8. So that will be 4. Okay, we do 4, open the brackets, divide each term by the highest common factor and close the bracket. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Take 8 divided by 4, which is 2a, and then remember to close that bracket. So we have 4 brackets, 3, take 2a. And you can see we're getting an unfactorized expression and turning it into an expression with a bracket, so it's the opposite of expanding. Okay, here are some questions for you to do. If you want to pause the video now and have a go, that would be great. Okay, the answers to these, we have 2x plus 6 becomes 2x plus 3, 3t plus 9, so the highest common factor there is 3, and it becomes t plus 9. Oh, there's a mistake there, so it would be t plus 3. Then we have 5 bracket a, take 3. We have 3 bracket d, add 4. 3 bracket 2, take 3h. 6 bracket 2, take 3e. And 7 bracket 2 plus 5r. Okay. Now, you may have, for example, in question F, taken out 3 or 2 as a factor. You need to take out the highest common factor. If you have not taken out the highest common factor, you have not factorized fully. Okay, let's move on. So, in this expression, we've got 3 terms, so we need to find a number that goes into all 3. The highest common factor of 4, 8, and 12 is 4. So I do 4, open bracket, and divide each term by 4. So 4a divided by 4 is a, 8b divided by 4 is 2b, and negative 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay, negative 3. And there's our answer. Here, again, we have 3 terms, and they're all divisible by our highest common factor of 5. So we do 5 brackets, 15p divided by 5 is 3p, 25q divided by 5 is 5q, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. Remember to close that bracket. Okay, and then in our last one, we've got 3 terms, and they're all divisible by our highest common factor of 9. So 9 bracket, 18r divided by 9 is 2r, 45s divided by 9 is 5s, and 27 divided by 9 is 3. Okay, so that's our final expression. Okay, again, here are some questions for you to have a go at. Pause the video now to have a go at them, and we'll come back with the answers in a moment. Alright, first one, our highest common factor is 2, so we have 2x plus 3y plus 6. Next one, highest common factor is 3, so we've got 6h plus 7i, take 11. 5 into these ones, so that's 2h, 12i, take away 5. 2 goes into these, so we have 7r, take 2, plus 9s. 2 goes into these, so we have 5a plus 9, take 7b. That should be a subtract 7b there, not a plus 7b. That's incorrect. And then f, 6 goes into these. However, okay, 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times negative 5 is negative 30, and 6 times 12 is 72. 4 goes into all of those. We have w plus 8z, take 11. And 5 goes into all of these, like so. Okay, now as well as being able to take numbers out, we also need to be able to take out variable letter factors. Okay, so in here, the HCF of the numbers will be 2. 2 goes into 2 and 4. But we also need to find the HCF of the variables. So a letter that goes into both A, B, and B. And that will be B. Okay, so we have 2B here. So we only open the brackets once all the highest common factors are found. So divide each term. So what's 2ab divided by 2b? Well, that would be a. What's 4b divided by 2b? That's 2. Remember to close the bracket. Here, our expressions are starting to look a bit more complicated now. Okay, so let's look at the numbers first. A number that goes into 16 and 24, the HCF will be 8. Look at the variables, x squared y and xy. Well, that has both have an x in and a y, so it's xy. So now that we've found all the highest common factors, I can open the brackets. So 16x squared y divided by 8xy will give me 2x. And then 24xy divided by 8xy will give me 3. All right, there's some questions for you to have a go at if you want to pause the video now. All right then, so in question 3a, the numbers, the highest common factor is 6, and the letters, the highest common factor is h. So we have 6h, and then inside the bracket we have g plus 2. The highest common factor in these two, in this expression, in each term is a, so we have 2b plus d. In the next one it's 3 and r, so we have 3t, take 4. And in D, the highest common factor is k, so we have k bracket, k plus 5. Again, that should be a plus 5, not a negative 5. Okay, a bit trickier now. We have number 2 goes into both of those, and also xy squared. So it's 2xy squared, x plus 3. In this one we have 7, u squared and t, all go into that. But we have 2u, take 3. And in these three terms we have 3 and x goes into all of those. So we have 3x plus 1, take 2y squared. And in this one we have 2pq goes into every single one. So we have 2p, take 3 squared, plus 1. Okay then. I want you to have a go at these questions now. Okay, you've just got to fill in the missing numbers and I'll go through the answers afterwards. Okay, in question 4a, our missing number is 5. B, our missing number is 6. C, our missing number is 4. D, our missing number is P. The letter is P, sorry. In E, our missing number is 7. In F, our missing number is 4. In G, our missing number is 6. R. And in H, our missing number is T. Letter is T, sorry. So our missing letter in I is B. In J, it's P. In K, it is 2. In L, it is 6H. In M, it's P. In N, it's T. In O, it's XY. And in P, it's A squared B. Alright, on to Q now. We've got 8t plus u plus 4v. In R, we've got 8a, 5b, 2c. In S, we have 2r, t, and 2. And in T, we have 2a, 5a, and 4b. Okay. Final lot of questions now. Question 5, we need to simplify, then factorize the following expression. So you need to collect the like terms, and then you need to factorize the expression. In question 6, you need to find and factorize the expression for the area of the compound shape. Okay, so you need to split it into two areas, okay, and then factorize the expression at the end. And then in question 7, you just need to match the double brackets with the letter, okay? So question 5 first. Collecting like terms, we have 18a minus 2b, and then we can factorize out the number 6. So it's 6 bracket 3a minus 2b close bracket. In this expression, we have 15 r's plus 12 s's, so we can take out 3 from those. So it's 3 bracket 5r plus 4s. And in this one we have 25m, take 10t, so we can take out 5 from there, and it's 5m minus 2t inside the bracket. In question 6, I can split it into these two areas. Area A, well, the height of rectangle A will be 5 because the whole length there is 12. Take away 7 gives you 5. So area A will be 5 times 5s. It's the wrong way around, that's area B there. So it's area and 30s. I think there's a mistake there. So the height of that should be 5, so it should be 25s. So we should have 21r plus 25s, which we won't be able to factorise. Okay, so maybe that length on the bottom there should have been 6s, because if you have 6s on the bottom, you can get 30s for area A, and then you can take out 3 as a factor. Okay, so that's the mistake with that question 6. So the bottom length there should be 6s, not 5s. And then question 7, the answers are as follows. So the first one is D, second one is E, third one is G, fourth one is B, fifth one is F, sixth one is F, and seventh one is C. Okay, all right then. Next time when we meet, we'll be going on to double brackets for lesson 3. I look forward to seeing you again then. Okay, bye.